Welcome, secret agents. I am Agent Lego Code, and today we have a critical brick-building mission. The mischievous wind-up toys have locked the main gates of the magical Lego factory. The only way to escape before the morning sun melts the plastic is by solving 4 mind-bending, blocky riddles. Are your brains sharp enough to build the answers? Let's find out. You have exactly 15 seconds for each level. Let the countdown begin.
Level 1! To unlock the first digital puzzle gate, you must answer the riddle appearing on the wall. Listen very closely, agents. I have a neck, but I have no head. I wear colorful pictures on paper, but I cannot draw by myself.
Think fast. It has a neck and a cap, and it loves paper. What is it?
Time's up! Yes, the answer is a marker pen. It has a plastic neck, a colorful cap, and helps you draw your imagination. Brilliant job! Let's move to level 2.
Oh, look! The room of clocks! This giant master clock won't let us pass until we solve his favorite mechanical puzzle. I have 2 hands, but I cannot clap. I have a face, but I cannot speak. I run all day long, but I don't have any legs. What am I?
2 hands but no clapping, and a face but no speaking? This one is an absolute classic. What could it be, agents?
Yes, it's a clock. Its pointers are called hands, and its front is the face. You guys are on fire tonight.
Wow, look at all these floating colors! But wait, the giant teddy balloon has a secret riddle for us. Let's read the scroll. And the riddle is, I am light as a feather, and you can see right through me. But even the strongest brick-building giant in the world cannot hold me for more than a few minutes. What am I? Light as a feather, but impossible to hold? Take a deep breath and think, secret agents. Amazing! The answer is your breath. No matter how strong you are, you can't hold your breath for very long. Level 3 complete.
Had just 1 more to go.
This is it! The ultimate vault door. Solve this last puzzle to unlock the exit before the morning sun rises.
And the riddle is, I have keys, but I open no locks. I have space, but there is no room. You can enter, but you can never go outside. What am I?
Think about what you use every single day to type your secret codes. What has keys, a space bar, and an enter button? Woohoo! The answer is a keyboard! It has letter keys, a space bar, and an enter key! The vault is officially open!
I did it! Every single toy is safe and free thanks to your incredible secret agent brain power. You are officially a master code cracker.
How many riddles did you solve on your very first try? Write your score in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more top secret missions. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!